Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. I didn't know that was possible. Thank you so much. And it's just great to know that I'm not by myself doing this. It's so great to know that other people want to learn too. And so this is what the video is about. I just wanted to show you how grateful I am. And yeah, what else? Oh, and thank you for all those great donations. Just last night I got a donations over $100. Thank you so much. And if you guys want to donate and help and support so I can keep creating those videos, there is a link in the bio. You can just in the info box, you can donate there, but you don't have to. I'm gonna make those videos anyways. And yeah, and because you guys expected telekinesis, I'm going to show you a little bit of telekinesis. I'm not going to teach you anything. What we're going to do now is a little fast push telekinesis trick, okay? So I'm just going to put this can here. And remember, push telekinesis, you breathe 100% in, 50% out, okay, and you do that for a while, and then at some point you just release the energy at one punch, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a good day.